Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited money in the game Among Us. So let me open it up and show you guys. So as you can see, I'm broke, but when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited stars to Among Us. So I'm going to turn it up all the way and let's see if the stars start going up. So then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Among Us mod so you can get unlimited stars as well. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So as you can see, guys, this is what we got. 40 stars. No, it's going up. Oh my gosh. Dang. Woo! 400,000. 700,000. That's insane. So if you guys want to get free stars on Among Us, keep watching the video, my gang. I will show you exactly how to do this. All right, so just go to your browser and type in matrixmods.com. So once you're on this website, guys, go to the search bar and type in Among Us. So there's the game, guys. So press on it, press download, and then the last step is the verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's completely for free from official app store, and then you're going to get free stars in Among Us. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. So as you can see, guys, it says almost there. Additional files are required. So we just need to download like 2 of these apps. So you can see we got Travel Town, says reach level 9. So I just press on it, press continue, go to the app store. I just got to play this until I reach level 9. So that's pretty easy. So yeah, just make sure you do a couple of these. You're going to be good to go. So that's how to get rich on Among Us, guys. Just download 2 of the apps. Going to be all set. So as you can see, we've got match to win. You press help, you get the video there you can watch. So that's pretty cool. So let's go to the app store and maybe we can see Among Us costings. Let's do Among Us. All right, so let me just type it in. So as you can see, this is the game. You don't need the game installed because this is actually a separate modded version. But as you can see, it is super expensive. So if you guys want to pay, that's up to you. But chances are, if you're watching this video, you're not really involved in the payment scene. So that's how to get unlimited stars on Among Us 2026. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get free stars in Among Us, because this is ready for you guys. It actually works. So as you can see, we got the anti-ban and everything. So we are going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Among Us free stars hack. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. This actually works. So just make sure you download 2 of these apps. You're going to be all set. It's super easy to do, guys. I mean, you're literally just playing the game or playing the app. Most of them are games until you're like level 9 or something. And then, of course, this one is actually different. So it says install the app and open it. So there you go, guys. That's how to get the Among Us free stars hack for your device. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool and it is ready for you guys. So have fun, and you too can get free stars in Among Us 2026. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, have fun. A lot of people come at me and they're like, how do you get free stars? And I'm like, well, I mean, maybe I could just make a YouTube video and show you guys how I get free stars in Among Us. So that's what I'm doing. That's who I am. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys. Have fun. And that's how to get free stars in Among Us right now. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it, because I want to help find some more people who don't know how to get free stars in Among Us. But yeah, super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Peace out.